Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to receive Binance coin on the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet app and then go to the wallet section. And here, as you can see, you have the send and receive buttons. When you tap on the receive, you will see the Binance coin is the fourth one on the list. If you tap on it, you will receive your Trust Wallet QR code, which you can use to receive Binance coin. If you tap on copy, you can send your Trust Wallet address to anyone and they can send you any amounts of Binance coin. Or you can even choose a set amount by typing in here, and this way you can send an address and anybody receives this QR code or address, they can send you just this set amount of Binance coin, no more, no less. And you can also use the share button to share your QR code and your address to anyone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.